Siema, siema, z tej strony OR, reprezent BOK, Bydgoszcz. Sprawdzajcie DJ-a ZIELAKA, jego najnowszy mixtape dla wszystkich B-boys i big girls, SZTEWITE gang. Sprawdzaj to.
B-boys, big girls, prepare for battle.
A dramatic introduction to a dance jam.
What? Yeah.
You know you about to get up. You have no choice.
Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. Come on. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. Come on. Oh, great, another song where they reminiscing, saying old school names like they ever listen. No Rakim song, let the rhythm hit 'em. Say no and I smack you with a television. Destroy the glowing Bruce Lee boy, the Pink Floyd of hip hop to B-boys. Picture me teaching dumb fucks history about this here quagmires like giggity. I did my homework and doing yours is to me. Drive with your eyes closed till you hit a tree. Who asked time to teach fake dudes real shit? I'd rather cut their hands off and wait till they feel it. I got shit to do, shows and women too, cause ladies like fly dudes that are lyrical. The screensaver of these teenagers, so please party people, see you later.
Of a man with the brain bust, just a black hat to wrap up the cranium. Brothers be flipping and changing when fame hits. Can't expect an armadillo to remain it. True color, true brothers live life humbly. Mellow got the mad rhyme, T-chunks the beats. Ain't no telling when you might be taken from the planet. Cause when you're front, yo, brothers wanna damage. Whether it's crippling, stifling, stripping, and trifling, I begin icing, I'm thinking, I'm stiffing, I'm pissing, I'm off, I get mine off. Rap needs mellow like a dip needs might off. I saw many jaws broken for flaking. One day you're poor, then the next day you're sacred. Can't be touched, can't be talked to a scene. Then you start losing your weight like lean cuisine. You're falling for playing Mr. Chill. Never forget where you come from, keep it real. Keep it real, keep it real, keep it real, y'all. Keep it real, keep it real, keep it real, y'all. Keep it real, keep it real, keep it real, y'all. Keep it real, keep it real, keep it real, y'all. Keep it real.
Jackass, send me the rubbish, rappers ready to rip 'em. Rhyme so deep, you need a shovel to dig 'em. Precaution with caution and quickly you exit. Leave your head spinning like the bitch from The Exorcist. Not a beginner, don't rhyme inventor. Blowing up the spot like the World Trade Center. On the real, no the deal, no steal. Beat your ass, how you think about home like Stephanie Mill. So if you're bigger, I'm telling you, if I miss you, I'm going to your house and get your wife like I was Amy Fisher. Here's your chance, nigga, better respect me, cause I'll be around even longer than Elvis Presley. I'll be doing my thing, listen to me sing shit, and you'll be getting more hits than Ron and Kid. Before you think you're coming better, jumping up, cause you ain't up enough. I'll show you up and stuff. Come and watch me. This is how we fuck it up. Fuck it up. This is how we fuck it up. Fuck it up. This is how we fuck it up. Fuck it up. This is how we fuck it up. Fuck it up. This is how we fuck it up. Fuck it up. Fuck it up. This is how we fuck it up. Fuck it up. Fuck it up. This is how we fuck it up. 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 This is how we fuck it up. Fuck it up. This is how we fuck it up. Fuck it up. Fuck it up. This is how we fuck it up. Fuck it up. This is how we fuck it up. Fuck it up. Fuck it up. This is how we fuck it up. Fuck it up. This is how we fuck it up. Fuck it up. Fuck it up. This is how we fuck it up. Fuck it up. Fuck it up.
This one's for the guys, the thugs, the niggas selling doves. Never hold a grudge, but I hate the marble fudge. But not props, got to get 'em. Stick 'em, ha ha ha, stick 'em. Victims, rip 'em, stitches can't stitch 'em. Bring your dictionary and you still can't get none. Run for cover, call your sisters and your brothers. I'm But word to mother hub, but I wear a rubber when I'm dicking it down. Brother word throughout the town, here comes the ghetto clown. Ring around the rhythm, my pocket full of bass. But let me take a break and let Joe rip the tape.
There's a clown at the jam that you don't like, then he starts kicking up dust on your new nights. Put it in your past, clear it out your mind. Start kicking it to a girl if you think that you got the time. Don't worry about the people that you thought that they was down, that never came around, so I think it's time to clown. This is an introduction on how I swing this. Some people wanted this, I get this, but you can kiss my ass where the sun don't shine. I'm short one bar, so I add another line. I got a hunch that the madcap punch is the dope issue of the month, so eat it up like a hot wing lunch. Because the proof is in the pudding and the lyrics kinda deep. Please don't sleep, bump it in your Jeep. Goddamn, where the fuck they loot that shit from? The dirty ass breaks from the crates for the drums. A groovy cheek for your sweeter mids, and your woofer blowing up like a motherfucking Tanuka. But on the real, with the hip hop feel, had to appeal, cause we got the shady deal. Oh please, oh please, oh please, just give me this one more hit, they're coming through, and now they do that madcap was the shit.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is an ode to the B-boy, B-girls, the people out there who do it for the love. And believe me, I'm not dissing anybody out there who's trying to get paid. I'm trying to get paid too. But I got one question. Whatever happened to the heart that pumped the passion into the art? The entity that gave you that energy to want to start. Right dancing, I'm a battle and doing it in the park, where the mission was expression, not only the top charts. I don't know what happened, wanting to blow rap, and you lose soul and passion for the flows and the tracks. Radio's lacking, controlled by fascists, assholes doing damage, but we're gonna take it back. Before beats 100 G's a pop, all you needed was a tabletop and a beatbox. Hip hop without the B-boy is like shell toes, only having 2 stripes. Hip hop, we're free to find a graffiti, writing, quite entice, recite and organize and revitalize, and I rhyme until the corrupt money making system known as the industry can eventually get served. Breakers and bombers are spinning a revolution through our words. If you really want it, come on get it, cause we got it. I'm honestly paying homage to forgotten pioneers of the culture, giving the propers. Learn, if you wanna earn your stripes, you gotta be able to rock this mic and set ciphers alike. The feeling of putting everything you got in a circle will never be documented in a Coke commercial. Now B-boys, B-girls, bring it back to the block. Let me see you get ill for real, pop and lock. If you record without thought, then stop, because I'll serve your whole album with the goddamn beatbox.
Arsonists, setting fires, destroy, swell boogie, freestyle, Jice 1, Q unique. A force of one, vocally sprayed by poetic machine gun. Acknowledge existence of a prodigy born, son. Even the odds divide, come up with a sum, and the remainder will be one. The Q-U-N, not Q-U-E. Check the menu, yo, what'll it be? Steady flow, war, but livable pop. Cause I walk, talk, look, live, breathe, hip-hop. Futuristic B-boy, rock, steady crew. Check your Chinese calendar, it's the year of the Q. Calm down my pace so you can hop along the lyrical roller coaster ride. As I once again climb slowly up the track, then fall in a poetical burst of an array of fat linguistic dispersion here. So get a grip like a Velcro strap, cause when I step up I kicks the crazy rap. Conflict is none, the rhymes outdone. Check the tactics to a force of one.
99.
DJ B-boy ZIELAK.
Kosił Jaś koniczynę, kosił Jaś koniczynę, kosił Jaś koniczynę. Spoglądał na dziewczynę.
Panie i panowie, to jest oda do wszystkich B-boys i B-girls oraz do ludzi, którzy kochają to, co robią. Wierzę, że nie obrażę ludzi, którzy starają się tylko zarobić, ale mam jedno pytanie. Czy kochacie to, co robicie?
Stop fucking around and be a man.
of the coast.
Yo, hey yo, Chuck, pick your phone up, kid. Yo, it's ES. Well, look, man, I'm on the strip, man. It's about a deuce. I'm tripping, all cats keep running up to me with the soul smartness, man, like they don't know the latest about the greatest. You know what I'm saying? But yo, make one of them bumper check nice instrumental shaking all residentials, kid. So I can let them know. Yo, people don't forget when you got real skills. Remember that. See, all we had to do was come back. The beats don't forget when you got real skills. Remember that. See, all we had to do was come back. Set it all with the original type skill. Matter of fact, I never left. My style stayed deaf when I was lounging on the DL. Ran through a couple females, chill. Now I'm back to fly right, strive and build. Getting the negative from out my face. How you live, kid? I move it at a calm and steady pace. Saying my grace when I eat before I rise and I go to sleep. The blessing is the beast can't creep. It's deep. Meditation with constant motivation. Combining with what Chuck's designing when I be rhyming. The sinner's on a mission in the first place. Blowing the spot. Where heavy daddy came to master ace. Never took first place. Fuck a rap contest. We just sprung it act ridiculous. Straight to your chest. We was the best side of Philly. It still is really. So don't take it personal. Your hype will get silly. Cause then I have to show you why they call me ES. I never rest. Continuously I manifest. But some seem to underestimate the crew's fate. Till you hear the first single dump. And then you start jumping back on the tip. I diss them and they flip. Trying to take us for bad. I scribble on you like a notepad. I'm about to flex in the all-great legs. Moving mass objects. Snapping arms and necks. Cause people don't forget when you got real skills. Remember that. See, all we had to do was come back. The beats don't forget when you got real skills. Remember that. See, all we had to do was come back. Cause all around the world, you know I drop mad film. Remember that. See, all we had to do was come back. So beats in the street, don't sleep, it ain't sweet. Remember that. See, all we had to do was come back. With the bomb, new rhymes for your anus. The act Nicholas beats that motivate the Jeeps. Original style for my peeps. The brand new funk, stinky like skunk, all up in your seats. Somebody said it couldn't be done. You picked the wrong time to sleep, son. You know damn well you can't speak none. Cause out your crew, use the weak one that wants to get hype all night. Get on the mic, it can't freak none. I'm like a stun gun, the most MC shutting down your system like a fatal disease. Then on peace, my evidence freaking on close friends, running down the dope sound that spark up trends, making heads pop and you cruise pop and don't stop. The underground poet spills like chill forward on the funk track, and you right back up on my deals. Admit that I'm the shiznit soon as you hear it. Cause people don't forget when you got real skills. Remember that. See, all we had to do was come back. The beats don't forget when you got real skills. Remember that. See, all we had to do was come back. Cause all around the world, you know I drop mad film. Remember that. See, all we had to do was come back. So beats in the street, don't sleep, it ain't sweet. Remember that. See, all we had to do was come back. Check it. I'm 23 and look about 18. I hit skins in the Benz on my sweet 16. And at the right age of 20, was getting more money than I knew what to do with. And blew that shit. Used to get up every day about to do some parlay. Thinking to myself, I might drop a trade today. Between a fresh ass sled and a new pair of kicks. Plus I always bought Jordans, cause they was my shits. Started like in jewelry, kid, they made a fool of me. Selling me that thing, carry shit for top dollar G. I used to sport it like an S on my chest. Like a damn Royal Press over top of my vest. I made a lot of bad moves when I was younger, but I was getting loot and wasn't thinking about hunger. To divorce it, our label started doing that dumb shit, promoting our material like it was that bum shit. Then they won the bitch about recouping their profits, but we survived that, cause them cats can't stop hits. It's all about independence, plus a couple kids, you know, with the dough to make investments. I pull capers with the movers and the shakers. The ghetto legislators that can orchestrate the paper as I formulate the flavor that make the party bounce. Graduating out the ghetto with Swiss bank accounts. Cause people don't forget when you got real skills. Remember that. See, all we had to do was come back. The beats don't forget when you got real skills. Remember that. See, all we had to do was come back. Cause all around the world, you know I drop mad film. Remember that. See, all we had to do was come back. So beats in the street, don't sleep, it ain't sweet. Remember that. See, all we had to do was come back.